Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about the GM 3.6 liter long block. Now this engine is going to fit all of your GM applications from 2008 up until 2014.
This 3.6 liter LLT engine is the direct injection version of the earlier LY7. It is known to have 15% extra power than its port injected predecessor.
However, it is riddled with problems. One of the main problems is a timing changer. Now when this breaks, it's a very costly repair. It is recommended that you do replace the engine with a remanufactured long block if that happens.
These engines are also known to have major oil consumption problems. So along with your long block, we do send a high volume oil pump. And of course, we recommend keeping up with your regularly scheduled maintenance and using high quality oil.
So if you have any questions about the GM 3.6 liter long block, give your drivetrain genius a call at 888-842-0023.